Looking for the best Schedule 1 mods to try in 2025? Here's how to find and install the top ones safely and easily. First, open your Schedule 1 launcher or the mod manager you're using. Go to the Mods or Community tab. This is where the newest and top rated mods are listed. Filter by trending, most downloaded, or highest rated to see what's popular right now. You can also sort by new releases if you want to test fresh mods uploaded this month. Next, visit trusted sources like the official Schedule 1 Mod Hub or verified modding communities on Discord and Reddit. Look for mods with recent updates, positive feedback, and version compatibility with the 2025 build. Always read the mod description before installing. Check requirements, known issues, and supported features. Then click download or install and restart your game or app to activate it. And that's how you find the best Schedule 1 mods in 2025. Updated, safe, and ready to enhance your setup.